It's 9:30 on the streets of Budapest. Good evening, this is Jan. It's 9:30 and the streets are quite alive on a Monday evening. And I find myself some nice food. It's always good. Looks like most places are kind of closing down, so I'm not sure if I can get some nice food somewhere still. Looks like this place is still open. I ordered this local beer called VígVarjú, if I pronounce that right. That is flavorsome. It's very fruity, really. Not too strong, mild in taste. This is rosé duck breast. As you guys know, I love duck meat, this poultry. I love it. Any kind of duck, always order when I'm in a restaurant, when I see it on the menu. So that's what I did today. So here we got roast duck and a sauce. I'm not sure which kind of sauce that is. There's some fruit, I think it's noodles.
Sir, everything is good?
Very good, yeah, I like it, thank you. Yes, this is good. This duck meat is tender. Ah, yeah, so that it's a plum sauce, this. And these are plums. Plums go well with duck. Just like cherries. They're good with duck. Just look at these plums. They're like stewed together with the duck. Like melting. This is a beautiful combination. Yeah, duck, lean meat, gamey flavor. Especially good with these dark fruits. So, I wonder if this is pear. I think so. Yeah. That is pear. Like, I think it's in a wine sauce or something like that. Tastes like this. Yeah. This is some kind of noodle based on wheat, I think. Could be on rice, but I think it's wheat. So it would be more common here. Or potato even, yeah. I think it's from potatoes. It's good as a side dish. Here in these Central European countries like Hungary, they sure know how to make a good dish out of duck breast. It's perfect for the taste. All these flavors and together with this plum sauce really. Pear. This is good. This is beautiful. Because the skin is on, of course. It's a little bit crunchy. And this black stuff over here, this is actually red cabbage. Beautiful vegetable. Duck is definitely my favorite poultry. It has always been that way, and it will always be. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.